Hello, this is Emmanuel. Uh, Coding assignment week 13. We're asked to create an app using React and a login form with a username and password fields for input, and then H3 login with a border style component with a default generate CSS file, create navigation component that contains link style link like bar navbar. The links don't necessarily have to work. I didn't make mine work because of the timing, and this is ended up doing quite a bit of extensive work on this. So here we start off by installing the npm functions and React and all that stuff. So this is the steps here on the README. Once you start, it gives you this. Installs package JSON and packet lock JSON, the git ignore, and the node modules. And it starts off the CRC file with a few of them. As you can see here, this is all the stuff that got added additionally. So the first step that I started with was the navigation section where you do the home, about, and contact for the navbars. I started off with the navbar, import the React library object, so you put that, and then you do the return block of JSX code that creates a navigation menu. So this is the return. You got to create that, and then after that, then I went and I did the layout for the background. With the JS. So same thing, import React, cons login form, and then you create the form here for the login, the username and password, and all that stuff here. The next step was let's see if I can understand. I got a lot of tabs in here. Then you start doing the HTML section, and you start coding. But I believe in order to do that, I did. It's kind of far. It was so much that I don't remember the proper order because I went back and forth figuring it out. So, but here's the app. You have to do the import the React library. So some of it is already inserted in there, but then you have to add more as you go along. So here's for the navigation form and the login form, function app, and then navigation login form. I did their own. I created own div and put it in there. Export components app has a default export, so that I believe that was already in there. So then I also created a extra background for the banner, extra JS separate file for the banner and the banner backgrounds with the CCS. And then I also have a global one for the background for the main web page. I wanted an image background of the main page that covered the whole page and make it look different. So I did that, and then let's see here. In the CCS, I believe that one got inserted automatically by the React. But then here you do have to add some stuff here because it installs some of it. So here's the index.js, and then here you do have to link some of this stuff over here to your React library. So here's the import React DOM library. Import the CCS files. I believe I added that, and import the app component of app.js file. Import web vitals, and I believe that was done by automatically. Import CCS global, and call the report vitals function here. So that's that. So now let's take a look at and see what this thing looks like. So this is what my web page looks like. I was doing it mostly in the long vertical monitor, so I kind of, there's the 5 minutes, but so I'll give it one more minute showing you. So I made it where you can make sure that it can shrink, and that's the background image. there's a navbar on top with the 3 links, and then this is the centered the form with the login, and I created everything in here, like the background. It's all original, and then I created this little logo here. Then I customize everything. So here, put my email and then password. Go and it resets. One issue, I try to make this, once it turns white, I wanted a different color. I couldn't figure out that. I tried and I tried. But anyways, this is what I got. And then if you go into, devices, so this is for the devices. There's also this little white space that I try to get rid of, but I couldn't. So with the amount of time, I don't have more time to go into that. But yeah, so that's that. Well, that's the end of this, and hope you like it, and thanks for watching.